once again, I need a hammer. Past the oven. And this is what's the space over here anyway. There's too much friction to pick it up and move it. Move it there against the jars and stuff, and then hammer the board over. That gets it straightened out. When I thought of this, when my sister brought this thing in here the other day, I would have had her use the camera and ask me questions, and there'd be a conversation going on instead of just talking to a camera. I'm not talking to a camera, I'm talking to all you people out there who don't know how to do things with one hand. Okay. Now this microwave is just about identical to the one that I had upstairs. So identical that probably came out the same assembly line because it's missing the same bumper on the back. Because they drilled the hole in the wrong spot to put it in. But this one before, it was just the right size, same size as the bumper. So there's no vents back here. The vents are back here on the bottom. So there's a little bit on the inside. Right back. And she's sitting straight. And she's well up off this hay ball, higher than this lip. So it's not going to hurt the door at all. And I went up there, I was scraping the door all the way from here to here on the plastic, the bottom of this. Piece of plastic at the bottom. I don't even know why it's there. Doesn't seem to be a seal at all. Seal or anything. It's just a latch right here. And these prongs go in. Just kind of latches the door. Yeah, these flip up when they go in here. They flip up. Watch it. When you pull on hard enough, it's how they move again. Anyway, that clears with plenty of room. One upstairs clears with just a large amount of room. But did it with just a sheet of plexiglass that I tore out of one of it cracked and split because it was wedged in there too tight. Got a replacement for that. I'll put in replace two posts now before I put that in. That's another project. Project that I've filmed already once. So not as much clearance in here as the one upstairs. I don't have as much stuff to put on here anyway. I'm not going to be cooking down here as much. But if there's a tornado or something coming, And there's half a dozen people down here. I'm the only one that has a basement, seems like. And we'll be able to eat a meal or something before the lights go out. And lights do go out down here. There's a pretty bad storm. Lights will go out. It's not like out in the country where lines are going through the trees all the time, and one comes up, blows the trees are tree lines, and the wires would break all the time. You might have light out for 9 or 10 hours. We light up candles and stuff. It's kind of neat when you're a kid, light up candles. Well, that's no fun anymore. Well, it probably would still be fun if it wouldn't. If I hadn't fought so many fires in the 80s. Anyway, this is way off the ground. It's all for that project. Next thing, if my electrician ever gets time, electrician was going to go up to, I was going to go up to see the electrician on Sunday to get a new electrical panel, so I could look at it and I could buy it up there. Or give me an idea of the stuff that's available. I prefer a copper bus if possible. It's a little more expensive, but a lot longer warranty on the thing. But less likely to have arcing in the breakers. A little pricier, but on the other hand, the insurance company will pay off $200,000 they appraised the house for. We built it for like $30,000, but we did all the work ourselves. Not all the work, but we did a lot of the work. Did the electrical work, the plumbing, painting, roofing. Initially the roofing. In the later years, when my father passed away, then I hired Jimmy to do it. He's very good.